Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 1 and I'm gonna show you how to perform the factory reset on this device and how to remove the passcode in the process. First, we need to press and hold the power button right here, side button. And when this menu appears on the screen, we need to touch and hold firmly on the screen and wait for a while and then release it. Now in this menu we need to tap on erase all content and settings. Now we need to connect our watch to a power source, to a charger, so let's take our charger and plug it back here. Now let's tap on the green check mark to confirm. And at this point the hard reset is complete and you can pair your watch with your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.